Hello students, today we are going to study the system named as excretory system, and this system we are going to study in human being. Let us study first the function of the kidney. Major function of the kidney or the excretory system is to remove nitrogenous waste from the body. The main excretory organs include kidneys, which are paired structures, ureter, this is also paired structure, urinary bladder, this is a single structure, and urethra, which is also a single structure. Let us study human excretory system in detail. This is the diagram of excretory system in human. This system include a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. So where exactly kidneys are present? Here you can see these are the two kidneys. Kidneys are two bean-shaped structures or organs lying at the back of the abdomen, one on either side of vertebral column. Waste product from the blood and urine are removed by the kidney. A nephron is the basic filtration unit of the kidney, and it is the cluster of thin walled blood capillaries. The urine produced by filtering the blood is transported to urinary bladder. This is done by a pair of ureter. Ureters are long muscular tubes. Whatever urine is formed in these two kidneys, that urine it is carried by these two long ducts, and these two long ducts they are called as ureter. Urinary bladder is a muscular bag-like structure which can hold the urine. Here you can see urinary bladder, which is a single structure, bag-like structure which has capacity to hold the urine for a temporary basis. The urinary bladder is under the control of the nerves. When bladder is full, one get urge to urinate. This urine is thrown out of the body through urethra. Apart from the kidney, the skin and the lungs, they are also helpful in the excretion. The structural and the functional unit of kidney is called as nephron, and these nephrons they are present inside the kidney. So there are millions of nephrons which are present inside the kidney, and who is actually doing the formation of urine in human body. Let us study the functions of kidney one by one. Kidneys bring about separation and elimination of nitrogenous waste, excess water and toxic substances from the body. They maintain homeostasis. Homeostasis is nothing but maintenance of the internal environment, balance, always constant, by the way of their role in osmoregulation and regulation of pH of body fluid. They produce calcitriol and renin. Erythropoietin secreted by kidney is essential for production of RBCs. Ureter transport urine from renal pelvis to urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a temporary storage organ for urine. It helps to expel urine. The process is called as micturition. Urethra is a passageway for discharging urine from the body. In male, it acts as a urinogenital organ.